everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now I'm gonna show to you how to crimp straight through a patch cable. Okay, let's start. How to crimp straight through patch cable. But before you get started, make sure you have the necessary tools. First is the crimping tool. Second is the modular connector or the RG45. There are 4 pairs of wires in an Ethernet cable. An Ethernet connector 8P-HC has 8 pin slots. Each pin is identified by a number, starting from left to right with the clip facing away from you. The third is the cable twister. And the last tool is the unshelled twisted wire, patch cable. Okay, let's start it. Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. And this is the stripper. For step 2, spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. For cut 5E, you can use the pull string to strip the jacket further down if you need to, then cut the pull string. Cut 6 cable have a spine that will also need to be cut. For step 3, untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in the T568B orientation. Be sure not to untwist them any further down to the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twisted as possible. You should follow the alignment. First is the white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. For step 4, cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket, and use your crimping tool to cut the wires. For step 5, carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire is passing through the appropriate guides inside the connector. For step 6, push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. For step 7, repeat step 1 to 6 for the other end of the cable. For the last step, to make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each pin.